Good morning. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today it's the 1 month review of the Meta glasses version 2 from Ray-Ban. Let's get started. New video, new pint mug. Fancy a second cuppa immediately after the first? Why not invest in a pint mug and grab yourself a great idea? So, Ray-Ban Meta glasses version 2, after owning them and using them for a month. As you might have worked out, the novelty doesn't wear off, but there again, you don't use things every day that you thought you might. Being a techie, I look for every opportunity to use new tech. The main reasons I got the glasses were fishing, flying drones, out and about photography, to add another dimension to my YouTube videos. I also thought they might come in handy with showing how things are done from a first person perspective, looking at my hands. How's it worked out? They've been very reliable, easy to keep charged up, very easy to transfer files from the glasses to my phone. The anxiety of filling up the glasses on my phone has subsided. I have cleared out a lot of junk on my phone, but that's a normal spring clean, isn't it? I'll put up on the screen the size of files. These glasses take videos 1 minute long or less if you were to cut it short. So there's ample room for a full day from dawn till dusk fishing. There's ample room for videos should you choose to wear them most of the day. I put a neck string on these just because of the cost and the value. I didn't want them to ever drop anywhere. I haven't needed it as yet, touch wood. But it's nice to have a belt and braces approach to safety. So, 1 minute videos. Yes, you have to remember to start another video if one stops mid-action, as did recently when I was fishing. But it's not a big deal. Have the glasses caught me out at all? Well, occasionally when putting them on, you start a video recording by touching the button accidentally. So the first voice command, and I've been using voice commands for the majority of photos and videos. The first voice command seems to be ignored. A quick touch on the button or a quick glance down to see whether the white light indicates that you are actually taking a video is soon sorted. So if you knock the button when putting them on, just look out for the white light, press the side button, stop the video, and they're all ready to go. I caught a carp and it proceeded to take me all over the lake battling, and it lasted approximately 10 minutes, and I was able to consecutively start new 1-minute videos very easily. I was very pleased with the view that I could see when I was editing the video at home later. Some action cameras make your hands look massive. This didn't seem to, so I'm pleased with the quality and the actual lens itself. Positioned to the left, above the left eye, isn't a problem, as you'll see from the video. Stills, I guess I took loads but wasn't able to happily use all of them. I was trying to take stills of birds that visited my peg to eat the free offerings of bread, and I guess it was just too slow. When you say, "Hey Meta, take a photo," it then fires up, takes a photo, and it's not as quick as you think. So maybe the answer is to take a few more videos and grab stills from that. I'm sure it'll come. Every other still was super, but catching birds in my peg wasn't. So bear that in mind, that there is a time lag between you saying, "Hey Meta, take a photo," and the actual photo being taken. The videos, I can't praise them enough. They were absolutely spot on. Any concerns I had about quality or length, well, I would like the option of maybe 3-minute videos or 10-minute videos. And while I'm talking about videos, if you're from the old school of PCs, where we used to build them ourselves, when we were looking for space, we would defrag the hard drive. In other words, if you had a 40 meg file and you were trying to put it onto a 60 meg hard drive, it put bits of the file all over the hard drive, and you could speed up the hard drive if you defragged it so it put all of the parts together. I think that's what's happening with these glasses, because it seems so simple. If you create 10 videos, that they're numbered sequentially, but when you download them to your phone, they're all over the place. Not a big deal, but when you're looking for the start of a battle with a carp and the end of a battle and subsequent videos of the middle battle, you may be looking for something specific, and that's time consuming. So sort it out, Meta. Sort out your file strategy. Sequential files, please. Flying a drone using the Meta glasses. Every other application, I would say, you hardly notice the polarised lens. It works as sunglasses, but you can also see through it great, but not when you're using them looking at a small screen as you do, as I do, when flying a Mavic Pro on an iPad mini. It's a fantastic combination, but you do need to be able to see everything, even though you can remember where everything is. You don't want to be pressing land when you actually meant come home. So I was flipping my smart glasses up on top of my head and putting on reading glasses quite a few times when I was flying the drone at takeoff and landing. But I was able to capture unique shots, and I'm pleased for that. So we can work with that. As long as you're in control, not a problem. Other uses, out and about and building things. I haven't tried on the building side. They just don't seem to be the first thing I reach for when I'm filming building something. Maybe that'll come. Out and about, fantastic. So, would I recommend them? Yes. What about the price? I've just been watching a review of some AR glasses, which I would also like. But I'm not going to pull the trigger and buy any just to play games. I've never played games, even when I built PCs. Brought up 3 lads who stretched my PC building to the limit, and they all played games. I never played one. It was back in the days of the Spectrum when my eldest was very, very young, and he would say, round about 1 or 2 year old, "Can you get me on the next level, Dad?" As we put him to bed each night. So my wife and I did become good at Spectrum graphics and games, but never played them, never wanted to. I like simulators, especially motorcycle racing. My lads soon outgrew me, and I can remember trying to compete on something called a Sega Saturn with a CD drive, and every one of my 3 sons was so fast round the Isle of Man, which I thought I knew very, very well. But they put me in my place. So, would I recommend the Ray-Ban version 2 Meta glasses? For what I do, definitely. That concludes the 1 month review. See you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching.